In this video, we are going to show you how to enable Wi-Fi on Windows 11. Right, so what you need to do is click on the Start or Windows button here on the left side, and then you're going to click on Settings. So in Settings, you're going to click on Network and Internet. It is below Bluetooth and Devices over here on the left-hand corner. Click on that. And here is going to be the network and internet settings. So you have Ethernet, VPN, proxy dial-up, advanced network settings. So since we are in a desktop and a motherboard that doesn't have Wi-Fi enabled, if you are using a desktop that has Wi-Fi or a laptop or a tablet, well, laptop, not a tablet, there's going to be an option for Wi-Fi here. I'm going to put a screenshot and you just need to click to enable it to set up Wi-Fi and you'll be all set. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon and we'll see you on the next one.